Ever wondered what happens when you wave goodbye to salt? You're about to find out. Let's start with a simple truth. Salt is everywhere. It's in our favorite snacks, our home-cooked meals, and even our morning coffees. It's so prevalent that it often slips under our dietary radar. But what role does it play in our bodies? Salt, or more specifically sodium, is a significant actor in the grand theater of our bodily functions. It's like the stage manager, ensuring that everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Sodium maintains fluid balance, keeping us well hydrated and our cells operating at their best. It's also a crucial player in transmitting nerve impulses, those electrical signals that allow our brain to communicate with our body. And let's not forget its influence on muscle function. Without sodium, our muscles would cramp, weaken, and ultimately fail. But how much salt are we actually consuming? The World Health Organization recommends a daily limit of 5 grams, about 1 teaspoon. Yet the average person consumes nearly double that amount. That's 2 teaspoons of salt every day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Over time, this excess can lead to a host of health issues, including high blood pressure and heart disease. However, it's important to note that salt isn't the villain here. Like everything in life, it's all about balance. Too much can be harmful, but too little can be just as detrimental. Our bodies need salt to function. It's just a matter of how much. So now that we've unraveled the salt conundrum, we can start to explore the effects of reducing our salt intake. Will it be a tale of triumph or a story of struggle? Only time will tell. So we've set the stage on salt. Now let's dive into what happens when you decide to quit it. Say you've decided to quit salt. What happens next? You might be wondering, well, the first thing you might notice is a shift in your taste preference. Salt has a knack for enhancing flavors, and when you cut it out, your palate may feel a bit off balance. Foods you once enjoyed might seem bland, while others may suddenly taste too sweet or too bitter. Don't fret though, this is just your taste buds recalibrating to the new low-sodium reality. You may also experience an increase in cravings, especially for salty snacks like chips or pretzels. This is your body's way of telling you it misses the salt. It's crucial to resist these urges and stick to your salt detox plan. Over time, these cravings will subside as your body adjusts. Another immediate effect of reducing salt intake is water expulsion. Salt makes your body hold on to water, so when you cut back, your body starts to shed this excess water. This can lead to weight loss, and while it might seem exciting, remember, this is mostly water weight, not fat loss. Now, let's talk about withdrawal symptoms. Yes, you heard it right. Just like with any substance, your body can have a reaction when you remove something it's accustomed to. You might experience headaches, fatigue, and maybe even a bit of moodiness. These are all signs that your body is adjusting to a lower sodium intake. To manage these symptoms, make sure to stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and engage in stress-relieving activities like yoga or meditation. So what's the takeaway here? Quitting salt may be a shock to the system, but your body adjusts. It might be a bit challenging in the beginning, but remember, every good thing requires some effort. The benefits you'll reap from a lower sodium intake are worth the temporary discomfort. Quitting salt may be a shock to the system, but your body adjusts. Let's explore the long-term impact next. And remember, your health is worth every bit of effort. You've weathered the initial storm of quitting salt. What are the long-term benefits you can expect? Well, let's dive right in, shall we? The most immediate and significant benefit of reducing your salt intake is the reduction of blood pressure. Our bodies need sodium to function, but too much of it can cause water retention, which in turn increases blood pressure. Over time, consistently high blood pressure can lead to heart disease and stroke. By quitting salt, you're essentially giving your heart a break and reducing these risks. Not only does quitting salt impact your heart health, but it also does wonders for your kidneys. Imagine the kidneys as a filtering system. Excess sodium can clog up this system, causing the kidneys to work overtime and potentially leading to kidney disease. Cutting out salt gives your kidneys a chance to recover and function more efficiently. Now, these aren't just empty words. There's concrete evidence to back them up. According to a study published in the British Medical Journal in the year 2020, reducing salt intake by just 1 gram a day led to a 12% decrease in stroke incidence and a 10% decrease in heart disease. That's a significant change for such a small dietary adjustment. Moreover, a study in the Journal of Clinical Hypertension found that a lower salt diet led to a significant decrease in blood pressure in adults, regardless of age, gender, or race. And a study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that a high-salt diet increased the risk of kidney disease by 20%. So, by quitting salt, you're not just improving your health in the short term. You're making a long-term investment in your future, reducing your risk of serious health conditions and improving your overall quality of life. But remember, it's not just about quitting salt. It's about maintaining a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Moderation is key. The benefits of quitting salt are clear, but it's not a decision to be taken lightly. So think about it, take your time, and make the decision that's right for you. So what does it all mean for you, our health-conscious viewer? In a nutshell, we've explored the significance of salt in our diet, the process of detoxing from it, and the long-term impact it can have on our health. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? The key takeaway here is the critical importance of making informed decisions about what we consume. Our health is essentially the product of our choices, and it's crucial to understand the implications of those choices. However, let's not forget that health is not a one-size-fits-all concept. What works for one may not work for another. So, before you decide to make a drastic change in your diet, such as quitting salt, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can guide you based on your unique health needs and circumstances. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make choices that serve you well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.